In this video, we are going to look at how to make the half twisted rib stitch, which means we're twisting half of our stitches. So to start out, I did 2 regular knit stitches, and now I'm doing 2 purls, just like normal. Now let's look at what we do to make a twisted knit stitch. Instead of inserting from the front like we normally would, instead we are going to bring the working needle around to the back and insert it into that back loop. See how that's going? Into the back loop, the yarn is in the back, and now we wrap, pull the wrap through to make the new stitch, and there we have it. Let's do it again. We are doing a knit through the back loop on the knit stitch on the right side of the fabric because this is flat knitting. Now we're going to purl as normal. Okay, let's look at the twisted knit again. We come in close. We are going to insert the working needle into the back stitch or the back loop, just like that, and we wrap. Our first stitch we purl like normal because it was just a normal knit stitch on the front side or the right side. Now we get to those twisted stitches, and to stay in pattern, in twisted pattern, we're going to purl through the back loop. So I bring the yarn in front, but I will insert the working needle into the back loop. So just like when we knit through the back loop, now we're going to purl through the back loop. And we do that on the twisted stitches. Those stitches were not twisted, so we did them like normal. Now we're to the twisted knits, and so we are going to do twisted purls on the wrong side of the work. I know it's kind of a lot to wrap your head around, but what's going on is we are twisting those knit stitches, just a couple of pairs of those on the right side. And so when we're on the wrong side, purl through the back loop the stitches that on the right side of the fabric we knit through the back loop. I know, it's crazy, but it gives you this really cool effect to your ribbing. So let's go ahead and just work through another couple of rows of this and just hang out and watch and see if you can see exactly what I'm doing. Taking a look at the twisted stitches, you can see how they really stand out from the regular knit stitches. And this is just a simple way to create a design element in our knitting projects.